put some of this in here. And then, we'll do this too. Oh, Nay, smell this.
Maybe you should leave the essential oil blending to the professionals.
I mean, I really want to learn, but I just don't know where to begin.
You should call Karen at E3. Maybe she'll have some tips for you.
Great idea, Nay. Yo, Karen, it's me, your girl.
Hi, Maddy.
Karen, I need help. I tried to make my own essential oil blend, but it didn't go very well.
Oh, I'm happy to help. And you know what? I have just the thing for you. We've just released a new kit on the website that has everything you will need to get started with blending. And there's even a free workbook you can download to go with it.
That sounds perfect. I'll try it out. Thanks, Karen.
All right, keep me posted, and I'm excited to smell your next Maddy's Blend creation.